Where was the 17th BRICS Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Brazil. Which country hosted the 51st G7 Summit in 2025? Right answer is option D, Canada. Which country will host the G20 Summit in 2025? Right answer is option A, South Africa. Where was the ninth Global Technology Summit held in 2025? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Where was the first International Conference on Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option C, Dushanbe in Tajikistan. The NATO Summit 2025 was recently held in which country? Right answer is option D, Netherlands. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization Defense Ministers Meeting 2025 has been held in which country? Right answer is option A, China. Which country hosted the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option C, Malaysia. Where was the world's first nuclear energy summit held recently? Right answer is option B, Belgium. In which country was the annual meeting of the World Economic Forum 2025 organized? Right answer is option D, Davos in Switzerland. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dubai in UAE. Where was the first BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option C, Gandhinagar. Which country was the host of Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Right answer is option B, France. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held recently? Right answer is option D, Thailand. Where was the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Where was 8th Indian Ocean Conference 2025 being held? Right answer is option C, Muscat in Oman. Which country will host UN Climate Change Conference in 2025? Right answer is option B, Brazil. Where was the 11th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting held? Right answer is option D, Brasilia in Brazil. Where will the 12th BRICS Parliamentary Forum be held in 2026? Right answer is option A, India. Where was the 113th International Labour Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option C, Geneva in Switzerland. Where was the first Asian Buddhist Summit held in 2024? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Where was the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 being held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Which Indian state was the host of the Global Investors Summit in 2025? Right answer is option C, Madhya Pradesh. Where was the National Agriculture Renewable Energy Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Where was the United Nations Ocean Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option B, France. Where was the first ever conference on women peacekeepers 2025 held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Where was the Prakriti 2025 International Conference on Carbon Markets held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country hosted the 19th G20 summit in 2024? Right answer is option C, Brazil. Which country hosted the 16th BRICS summit in 2024? Right answer is option B, Russia. Where was the 10th Quad Foreign Ministers 2025 meeting held? Right answer is option D, Washington DC in USA. Where has the World Air Transport Summit 2025 been organized? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country hosted the 58th annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank Board of Governors? Right answer is option C, Milan, Italy. Which country will host the SCO Summit 2025 Heads of State Council? Right answer is option B, China. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam in Netherlands. Which city was the host of the 18th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas Convention 2025? Right answer is option A, Bhubaneswar in Odisha. The NATO Summit 2024 was held in which country? Right answer is option C, USA. Which country will host the 52nd G7 Summit in 2026? Right answer is option B, France. Which country will host the 7th BIMSTEC Summit in 2026? Right answer is option A, Bangladesh. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit in 2026? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.